really thought that we wouldn't need a dresser and that these things would be fine. But like this bottom drawer is all blankets and this bag still has blankets in it. Like this drawer is filled with hats and socks and burp cloths and mittens, and it's like no way that stuff's sitting in there. And then we still have all of this stuff. And it's like they're not about to fit.
What's up, y'all? It's MonayxMarie back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be organizing baby K's nursery. I thought that I wouldn't need a dresser and that we'd be okay with just these like plastic storage containers, but it just wasn't working out, so we did have to get a dresser. And I'm basically just going to show you guys how I have organized everything inside the dresser. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below for any moms that might pass by this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Before we get into the video, I did want to open this package that I got because I know it's something for the baby from his grandmother. I don't know what it is, but I figured I'd open it on camera and show you guys whatever it is. I'm not going to take them all out the plastic because I'm still going to have to wash them at some point, but this striped one is a 6-month one. This blue one, you can see the polo sign right there. This blue one is one of the 3-month ones. This one with the little trucks on it is one of the 3-month ones. And then this one that is 9 months has this like design on it. So there's that, and now we can go to the video. So his dresser has 6 drawers and the top 2 aren't as deep. So in this one, I'm going to put all of his health stuff like clippers, aspirators, just so they're easier to reach. And I'm leaving them all in the boxes for now because I basically just want to rough draft it out before I open everything and figure out exactly where I want it in the drawer. Has a lot of thick blankets, including this huge one that his aunt crocheted for him. So I'm gonna put them in the bottom drawer for storage, and I'll probably have a few out near his crib and like near the rocking chair anyway, so I'm not concerned with it being like so tight or packed because these aren't all gonna be here for sure. In the next drawer, I'm putting all of his bath stuff, so towels, washcloths, soaps, lotion, shampoo. I really don't want any of his stuff in the mix with like our stuff in the house because I just don't want anything to get dirty and like have our outside germs. I just want to keep everything as clean as possible, so all of his stuff I just want to stay inside his room at all times. Next, I have his clothes. This is everything from newborn to I think 6 months. So I'm going to put it in the middle drawer since it's easier to reach. I basically just threw them in there for now because I still have to wash them all and like sort them and put them back. Finally, I have the drawer with his socks and burp cloths, hats, all that kind of stuff. And I wanted it to go next to the clothes since I know it'll probably be used the most, especially since it's winter. He has way too many to go in the smaller drawer at the top, which is like currently housing all of the instructions and hardware to everything. So I moved the bathroom drawer to the bottom and then put the accessories in the middle drawer. basically where I want it to go. His mittens I'm gonna put in a jar along with his pacifiers. So now I just have to get some drawer organizers and jars for the dresser. If you want to see my baby shopping trip, the link to the video will be in the description box. From Target, I bought these organizers. These drawers. It's I don't know how many come in here. Oh, it says it's a 4 count. So 2 small ones and then 2 bigger ones. I think I'm gonna put like probably his hats in one. And I don't know for this one yet. And I don't know for this stuff yet. And then I also bought this jar, like this glass jar. I wanted the ones that had like the cute top that has like the little ball on it, but I couldn't find them. And I'm gonna put like his mittens in one and his pacifiers in one, because he doesn't have a lot of pacifiers or mittens. I don't know what this is that was in here. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I don't think that was supposed to be in there, but. And so I bought those. I bought these 2 jars. Oh, these 2 jars, a small one and a big one. And then I also bought this bigger container and this smaller container, which I think I'm gonna put his towels in here and then his washcloths in here. So if I put his towels in here and washcloths in this like smaller one, I'll probably lay this one flat and put like his soap bottles and all that kind of stuff in there. But I'm gonna wipe them all down first and wipe the drawers down first. I just wanted to show y'all what I got. I realized that it's probably better for me if I put the bins in there first and then go back and wipe it, because I'm gonna forget what was in each drawer. Once I had the bins figured out, I cleaned, washed, and wiped literally everything and put it back in its rightful place. So stay tuned for a nursery cleaning video coming soon. His crib changing table also has 2 drawers that his mother broke the handle on one of them. And I think I'm gonna put just like some wipes and butt paste and stuff, and then some Pampers here, and then I'm just probably gonna fill this one with all Pampers. He also has a door organizer that has like miscellaneous stuff on it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click that button, and I'll see you all in the next video.